guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video I'm giving you a power hour as well as a cook with me, so I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to show you some tidying up the house before we leave to go to the store. I was going to kind of do a vlog before we went into the store and in the store, but tell you the truth, by the time we got in the store and I was really kind of rushing to get finished because we had to go pick up Luke, I totally forgot to record in the store. So we just went ahead and got what we needed to cook that night's dinner, and so I'm going to share with you that recipe. It is a delicious broccoli cheddar soup my family loves. So if you end up trying this recipe, I'd love to hear if you liked it down in the comments below, and also if you enjoyed seeing this recipe and you want more, please let me know down in the comments below what kind of recipes you would like to see in one of my next videos. So let's get started. Tidy up the living room. I'm going to turn on our robo vacuum cleaner, and if you do not have one of these, they are so helpful. I use mine every day to help me keep the floors tidied up, and when we get back we will go straight into the power hour. And if you have never heard of one before, it's simply making a to-do list of chores and completing that list within the hour. You can set a timer or you can just keep an eye on the clock, and that's usually what I do. But anyways, we will start that when I get right back from running errands. So I'm back from running errands, just going to the store and getting Luke. It is time to begin the power hour. I'm making my list, and I will go ahead and tell you I did get everything checked off my list except for mopping, and I think I had enough time to mop, but to tell you the truth, I really just didn't feel like mopping by the time I finished all of this. But I did do some other things, so I don't feel bad about that. Let's get into starting the power hour.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my...
So I purposefully did not show myself cutting these onions because I really thought that I was going to have the worst teary eyes, because here lately, when I cut the onions, I end up having the worst burning eyes, and they're watering. It's like you're crying cutting onions. It's so true. But anyways, it didn't happen this time for one reason or the other.
Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you.
I am very guilty of just washing my fruits and vegetables with water sometimes, but as you know, that doesn't really get your vegetables clean. So I use this Fit organic fruit and veggie wash. You simply wet your vegetables, spray it on your vegetables, kind of give them a little scrub with your hands, and then rinse them off. This is not a sponsorship. This is my honest opinion. I have been using it for quite a while now, and this is the kind that I like. I don't really see a lot of different other kinds, so if there is something else that you use, would you please let me know down in the comments below so I can check out that product.
Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself.
Okay, I'm just checking back in and crossing some stuff off my list, and I don't have that much left to do. I'm going to vacuum this rug in the living room, and then I decide that I'm not going to mop, but then there's other things that I actually get around to doing. So like I said earlier, I don't really feel bad for not getting the mopping done during this power hour, but I eventually get to it later.
It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind.
So now I'm just going to prep some ingredients for this broccoli cheddar soup. And the first thing I'm going to do is get that onion that I chopped up earlier in my power hour and saute that with butter.
I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me, I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine.
While the onion is sauteing in the butter, I am shredding the cheese that will go in the soup, as well as moving on to cutting the broccoli up into these bite-sized pieces.
Want to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Now I am taking the sauteed onions out of the stock pot and putting more butter in. I am using this almond flour to make a little bit of a roux, and then you will put in the chicken broth and stir it, and this is where you cook it for just a few minutes so you get the taste of the flour out. And then we will be adding the broccoli and the carrots and the onions. Then you will add the rest of the liquids, which is milk and half, as well as all of the seasonings, and you will cook this until everything is cooked through and tender.
In your eyes, girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about.
After the soup is cooked completely through, you will blend it in your blender and it will give it a smooth consistency. If you like the vegetables whole, you do not have to do this step. It's just a way that I can get my kids to eat all of the vegetables that are in them. They have no idea there's onions and carrot. They probably wouldn't even know there's broccoli in it if it wasn't called broccoli cheddar. But they love it, and so this is the way I fix it for them.
Tomorrow, let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good.
All you have to do now is add the cheddar cheese and mix it until it melts. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I really hope you guys are feeling amazing today. If you guys need a little bit more motivation, I'll leave some videos up on the screen for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on